Well, back to the WTAC workshop. This is my latest creation, a complete replica of a Vickers heavy machine gun. This one is emulating a very early Vickers, about 1914, before they started to paint over the brass, etc. This replica actually has got a genuine feed block, and as you will see on the other side in a moment, the fusee cover. Here's the other side of the gun showing the fusee and a better view of the cradle. The wheel at the bottom can be used to raise and lower the gun as per the original. The legs are adjustable for terrain, etc. And the rear sight can be laid flat or in the upright position. I have now attached the LPG feed belt. The LPG lines are actually inside the ammunition belt, you can see, and I have put on the front the hose, which on First World War guns were actually not the rubber ones that you later saw. They were issued in the 1930s. They were like a reinforced metal hose. Just thought I'd like to show you that the rear sight does actually go down and is spring loaded in the upright position. So you can either use the emergency battle sight on the back, just here, or the more accurate sight on the rail. Of course, later in the war, the guns were changed slightly. The whole of the front water jackets were often painted, including the front. The brass work was all painted or blacked. Even the feed block here were quite often painted. When they were actually issued by Vickers, the whole gun was black, with the exception, of course, of the brass work here on the cradle. Again, quite often later in the war they were painted over, as they are a bit bright. The gun, of course, moves from side to side as per the original, and as I said before, it can be raised and lowered via the wheel below, or this rear pin can be disconnected, in which case the gun would be in free motion, solely controlled by the gunner. Well, now everything's all connected up and it's not raining, so let's have a go. Ooh, that's quite nice. Okay, so that's all done, all tested, ready to pack it up, send it to the customer. I'm sure he'll be pleased with it. I am. Thank you very much for watching my video. Goodbye.